I'm having a small issue installing this. So I have this is a European hazard triangle, and this is a American trunk. So it fits, but I have to cut in a little bit right here into that. So I probably have to just take off this lining and see what I'm working with. Big success. I only lost 2 of these. All of them are intact, aside from those 2. Here's the unpainted trunk of the 140, and this is the part I'm looking to fasten the clip to. I found one soldier. Yeah, this part is very ridiculous. So it has these 4 latches and I guess this clip, but it doesn't fit correctly. You put it in like that. Where is it? And this one sticks out. I put it in, it still sticks out. I gotta somehow get this clip behind this little metal part. I just muscled the shit out of it, so I put this part in first and then pushing it at the same time to the left, so it's more or less pretty stable. I don't think it's going anywhere. Son of a bitch. Okay, I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. Damn. Now I just gotta cut out the carpet and fit it in here. Got the professional. Ну. В другую сторону.